Shawty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the goal. She don't stress, she don't trip. And she fuck with all my bros. So if
okay, y'all. So it is time for me to go to bed. So what I am going to do, I am going to show you guys how I wear this at night. I am going to be starting off by just sectioning it off, and then I am going to be applying some hair ties to my head, so that way I can actually maintain my curls without disturbing it so much. So I'm just show you guys, and yeah. Okay, so I'm going to be sectioning off my hair as my hair falls into my layers. So I am going to be starting off with my bangs first. And all I'm doing is just doing the banding method. And with doing the banding method, it just stretches your hair. So that's what you see me doing here. I did put at least 7 of these hair ties in my head. With doing this method, you can use how many hair ties you want to use. I just use 7 only because of the thickness of my hair. But you can use 4 if you want as well. This is how I sleep at night. So what I did was I used my hair ties, and the reason why is to give it more of a stretch. So that's why I got it in sections. I did experience a lot of shrinking when I did do this twist and curl method, but that is okay because as the days go by, it will actually start getting more longer and bigger as well. I do have some frizz on my first day hair after I did fluff it out and everything, because that's the look that I was going for. With the spaces here, I could literally like sleep like this without it actually disturbing the ends of my hair. So I could sleep like this, not sleeping with my hands, but I'm just showing you guys how I would sleep on my pillow. So it'll either be like that, or sometimes I do sleep on my back. So since it is like this in the back, I can just sleep on my back, and then my hair could be like that, and it won't disturb my curls. This is how my hair is looking, so I will see you guys in the morning. So it is the next day, and I am going to be taking out these hair ties. So what I'm doing is unraveling it. I am unraveling it very carefully, only because sometimes when I unravel these hair ties, it does get caught in between, and it can tear your hair out. So you want to be careful when you take these hair ties out. So now that I completed this side, I'm just going to be fluffing it with my hands, just making sure that I add volume to it as well. So now I am going to be moving on to my other side of my hair and just unravel it the same way like I did the other side. So now I'm going to be adding the Curls Dynasty Organic Oil Blend, and that is so my hair won't be frizzy. So I am going to be using my hands to actually add oil to my hair, and I'm just going to be shaking my hair away so that way I can add more volume as well. And I'm just going to be using my hands first, and then I'm going to be adding my pick to it and just fluffing it out to the roots. I only focus more on the roots first, only because that's where my volume is. You do not want to disturb your curls at the end, so just focus more on your roots. So what you see me doing here is just pulling my hairs that actually seem like it needs to be stretched a little, so that way I can control my hair a little more better. So that's why you see me pulling at my hair. So now my hair is all done. This is how it's looking. This is second day hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to put the thumbs up, and I love y'all.